Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the weirdly rainy day today. I don't know what's going on. It rained, but now it's already dried up. It's still a very unusual day here in Da Nang in July. It is still warm. It cooled down now a little bit. It was very, very hot for the last week or something, super hot. Then of course it rained now and it's actually good. The air is way more pleasant now. Look at this big project here again. I'm wondering when this will be done. Do they already renting it out? Huh. So at the moment you have to really look out for those condos if you want to stay here. If this construction is too noisy over there. At the moment there is nothing going on. So here at the Tayan, it should be fine if you're facing the beach. Same goes with here. If you're facing the Tayo to the ocean.
Great video, Sammy.
Thank you. You will actually not have a construction beside of this. I'm not sure if they're doing something here anytime soon. So this does not look like they're gonna do anything here, but next door. Okay. So if you are here, this could be a problem at some point. Here, I don't know. I don't see they're doing anything here. There are also some apartment buildings over here. And very interesting, in the An Thuong 30, they just opened up a brand new coffee. We walked in there, my friend Tommy and I, and yeah, they already wanted to invite me, but I'm like, I already had too many coffees and I don't eat, so I gotta lose weight. But we're gonna walk by there and I'm gonna show you. Look at what's happening over here. Wow. Everyone who's in construction, can you tell me what on earth is that? What is that? What is going on here? What is going on here? Please comment below. And what happens with this place? I hope they're gonna finish it something. But yeah, this is very unusual to me. But maybe it makes sense for everyone who's in construction. But yeah, this is, all those apartments might have a hard time the next month. This is the back door of the Golden Lotus. They also have a little mart over there. Golden Lotus Hotel is actually a nice hotel. The Wok Hei, I think they're changing. They moved. I'm not sure what's happening with this now, but they definitely moved. And it's rebranded to Mayflower. I think it's still the same food. It's actually good. I ordered it 2-3 times. I don't think it's healthy, so I'm gonna order it. It's delicious, definitely that. This apartment building over here. Now here's the An Thuong 30, and I can see some people in this restaurant, coffee shop, bistro. I'm not sure what it is, but I see some people in there and motorbikes parked. So I assume they will open up soon. So we just walked to the An Thuong 31 and now we're gonna go to An Thuong 30. There's a chocolate and coffee place, so downstairs you can buy some chocolate. And they're building something over there too. This whole street will probably look completely different in 6 months because they're building a lot here. And yeah, this is the brand new place, Chong. And what do they're just removing up the, hello. Just want to make here very quick. So what is very interesting is from 8 a.m. to 3:20 to 11 p.m. Very interesting. Yeah, the owner is also still there. I'm gonna try it out at some point. Very nice. It's actually outdoor and indoor. They have also an AC room. But yeah, look at this, what's going on here. Wow. What will this be? Apartment building? Restaurants? Or both together? I'm not sure. And so much construction, this one street. If you're staying at a Sandy hotel and apartment, former Yen V, you might have a bad time at the moment. Kenny's barbershop is gone. Lots of people actually went to Kenny. I'm not sure what happened now. Where did he move? Kenny. Here, Kenny's hairstyle. That was the first barber I went in Da Nang. And now it's gutted out. What will happen there? What will happen there? I have no idea. The question is, are they gonna completely tear down the building or are they gonna renovate it? Very interesting. So the water tank over there. Huh. This is An Thuong 33, corner An Thuong 30. So much changing. L'Italiano. That was also the first place I had a gin tonic. No, the second place I had a gin tonic. Good Italian restaurant. Chang. This is where Marcus gets his foot massages. And yeah. All right, guys. Shout out to Mikhail. I just met him from Bulgaria. He just started his Asia trip here, and then he will go to Bali and other cities in Asia. I think Da Nang is a perfect spot to start. Maybe it is a little bit tough if you go to Da Nang first. Huh? Huh? Yeah? All right. Just met a lovely couple from the Philippines as well. You will always find me on the streets here. Now, in this, oh my God, look at this. How do I do this? Okay, I got long legs. Woo. Okay, so you usually will find me here. I usually walk around a little bit further, but here in this neighborhood, yeah, it's very simple. But yeah, we are in the Le Quan Dao Street right now. Nothing really has changed here. There's still the spas. And this building, which is also interesting, above this coffee shop, those are apartment building, condos. So you can also stay there. Also, one subscriber here told me, if you stay here, you can also go upstairs here for the pool, which is also very interesting. Yeah, nothing really has changed here. The Golden Lotus Grand Hotel here. And there is my favorite coffee street here. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please check out this hotel review I just did and see you in the next one.